She has very sassy quacks where if she wants something, she'll get really mad if I don't bring her in the shower with me. She does get to shower by herself. She'll like flap her wings to make sure she's getting clean everywhere. She acts like she's swimming even though there's no water around. She gets so excited that she's going to swim that she pretends to swim.
Since I noticed how much Munchkin enjoyed to come inside and shower, I decided that I would try taking her on a hike to one of our local waterfalls. She will get so excited and will try to waddle as fast as she can to get to the waterfall. I would absolutely love to be able to take Munchkin out on hikes and to waterfalls every day, but of course that's not really feasible. But to cheer Munchkin up, I love to bring her to the drive-thru to get a cup of ice water, which is another one of her favorite activities. Munchkin is absolutely obsessed with ice water from drive-thrus.
Munchkin has her preferences when it comes to ice water, and she doesn't like the ice cubes that we have at home. Tried to give Munchkin ice water in a Dunkin' Donuts cup, but it was from the tap water in my house and with our own ice. I think she could tell that it was fake. Your average duck doesn't really like doing anything new, they kind of like keeping the same routine. But Munchkin, she loves to adventure and find new things. It makes me so happy the way that Munchkin trusts me. She is like my reason to wake up in the morning.